Rainforest Surprises by Kelly Martinson, illustrated by Carol Schwartz. Rainforest Surprises. Rainforests are hot, wet places filled with wonderful surprises. Tall trees shade the forest floor. Surprise! It rains almost all of the time here. Treetops, forest floor, river. A lot of the rain flows into a very long river. Who lives in these tall trees? Surprise! A baby harpy eagle lives here. Its parents built a huge nest in a tall tree. They are hunting for lunch to feed their hungry baby. Beware monkeys and parrots. Fresh green twigs and leaves keep the nest cool. Are those green leaves in another nest? Surprise! It's a shaggy green, three-toed sloth. A sloth is the slowest furry animal on earth. Sloths live in the trees and eat juicy leaves and fruits. The green plant-like stuff on the sloth is called algae. Did a sloth munch on these leaves? Surprise! Leafcutter ants cut out big pieces of leaves. Then they carry the pieces back into their underground nest. Millions of ants can strip a tree in just one day. What's that near the ants? Surprise! It's an anteater. Anteaters can eat thousands of ants in one day, but the ants bite and sting, so the anteater doesn't stay for long. An anteater slurps up ants, termites, and eggs with its tongue. How do other animals protect themselves? Surprise! These colorful little frogs are poisonous. Their bright colors warn other animals not to eat them. There are more than 200 kinds of poison dart frogs. The frog's poison is on its skin, so don't touch. Blue dart frog, golden dart frog, strawberry dart frog. Is that a vine wrapped around that branch? Surprise! It's a big snake. The green anaconda is the world's largest snake. It quietly waits for prey to pass by. Then it wraps around the prey and squeezes it tight. Jaguar, green anaconda. Green anacondas eat big prey like tapirs and jaguars. What else is the rainforest hiding? Surprise! This rainforest is hiding a very old city. Rain or shine, there are always surprises in a rainforest. People built this city hundreds of years ago. More about the rainforest. The plants and animals in this book live in the Amazon rainforest of South America. It is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. Page 16 shows the ruins of Kulap, an ancient city in Peru.